Hi people, this is Bake with Asha. Today we are going to learn how to make butter icing. This is the recipe that I use for my cakes, and it has the best stable butter icing. The biggest challenge with butter icing is the temperatures. Here in Kampala, what I know is usually it is so hot. So transporting a butter iced cake is the biggest challenge. I used to have the same challenge before until when I discovered this recipe. It keeps it soft, moist, but at the same time it is stable for transportation. These are our ingredients today. You will need icing sugar, some margarine or butter, some milk. You will need any flavor of your choice. Now you start by doing your measurements. I have already measured this. This is 200 grams. Now, before adding in the icing sugar, first beat it a little. I'm not going to use the mixer so that it is flexible for everyone. Once it is all smooth, you can start adding in the icing. It is very hard to determine how much icing sugar you need simply because of weather temperatures. Now I'm going to be putting as much icing as possible. There are days when I can put in a full kg. There are days I'll put in like 800 depending on the weather temperatures outside. Never stick to one recipe when it comes to butter icing because it is really affected by the weather. If first add in like 400 grams of the icing sugar. I've added in more. So after you put in your second set, you can start testing. Once you start testing and it is sticking on your finger like this, just know it's not yet ready. Just add in more icing. Here it is starting to get stiff. So once you see this, you put in some milk. You can always put in the flavor and milk at the same time. This is like a tablespoon of milk, then a tablespoon of flavor. This will kill all the margarine or butter smell. I have put in coffee. I love the smell of coffee. Now we are going to put in our last. So let me scrape everything so that everything is in the middle. This is how it looks like now. You see it? It is so stiff. Now you can test again using your finger. It keeps jumping off. If you look at that, it is not as wet as it was. Just know with this, you're good to go. You see that? So here you go. You're ready to ice your cake. Don't forget to hit the like button if you have liked the video. Subscribe to the channel to get notifications. Ciao, ciao.